Hey everyone, welcome back to Devly Code. Today, I'm going to show you how to run Deepseek AI locally on your computer without needing an internet connection. Yes, you heard that right, no internet required. We'll be using autonomy, a fantastic tool that makes it super easy to run AI models offline. Let's dive right in. First, head over to autonomy's official website. I'll leave the link in the description below. Download the version that matches your operating system. Once the download is complete, install it just like any other software. Autonomy is super lightweight and easy to install. Once it's done, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's download the Deepseek AI model. Open your terminal or command prompt and type the following command. This command will download the Deepseek model to your local machine. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Once the download is complete, you're all set to run Deepseek AI locally. Now the model is running. Let's test it out. You can interact with Deepseek AI directly from your terminal or through a simple interface, depending on how the developers have set it up. Try asking it a question or giving it a task. For example, let's ask it to write a simple Python script. See how it generates the code instantly? This is all happening locally on your machine, without any internet connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up Deepseek AI to run locally on your computer without needing an internet connection. This is a game changer for privacy-conscious users or anyone who wants to experiment with AI offline. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this one. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another AI tool you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.